Okay, for number 9, again, it's a fifth degree polynomial, generally difficult to deal with. However, it is factorable, right? Yes, it takes a little effort to get through that. What are the roots going to be? I'll write them down for you. The roots are going to be 1, minus 1, minus 1. That's a repeated root, and 2 and 2. Let me go to the picture, show you where that is. Let's see, 1, right here. Minus 1, clearly indication of repeated root, and 2, clear indication of repeated root. You can do sign outs to get general shape of it as well. First derivative, what's that going to give me? You know, mins and maxes. Well, it says over here that I'm going to get something. Let's write this down for you at 7/5. And that's going to be right over here. Right, 7/5. And that's a relative. I think I made a mistake somewhere. Yeah, you know what? I got to put it in there. There's an X that belongs there, so I need to correct. I don't know how I lost that guy, but I lost him. So there's a relative minimum at 7/5. I'm sorry, this is a relative maximum. A relative minimum at 0. A relative minimum at... You know what? I'm bringing this into question. This is clearly wrong. I need to correct that. But anyway, relative minimum at 2 and a relative maximum at -1. All right, I'm bringing this into question too. I'm not sure if that's right either. I got to go factoring that guy. You know what? We should do it now. Let's put that down. So let's see if I got it right. 5x4 minus 12x cubed. Yeah, I did. Factor out an x. And what do you get there? 5x cubed minus 12x squared minus 3x plus 14. And I think I can get a root of that pretty quickly. Let me try the 1. 5 minus 12 minus 7. No, 1's not going to work. Let's try -1. -1 would give me -5 minus 12. And then you would get 17. Yeah, that works. So I get x plus 1. And I think I can write this down now. What's going to be 5x squared. And I need a 14, right? I don't know the bx, though. Let's go to town, see if we can do it. Right, we got to correct this anyway. So what do you get over there? Let's see. You're going to get 5x squared. Let's see, plus bx squared. And that should equal -12x squared. So 5 plus b is -12. So the b is minus 17. I'm going to check it, though. Let's go to town. 5x cubed. That's a bingo. Minus 17x squared. Plus 14x. Plus 5x squared. let's see, minus 17x, and then plus 14. Works like a charm. Yep, that works good. Let me get my eraser out. And again, I'm correcting my key now, and that happens sometimes. I'm not sure why it happens, but it does happen. But I have a wrong answer over there. And then I got to do this over here. Let's see if I can write that down. So I get x plus 1, 5x. Get my eraser out, make it a little cleaner looking. X. And let's see. I'm going to say 7 and 2. And we'll correct the key in a moment. That gives me 5x squared. Looks like minus minus. So this does not belong there. This belongs there. And I will correct the key, by the way. So, and again, they weren't asking these questions anyway, so maybe I'm overkilling it. So at minus 2, relative minimum, I'm expecting to see that. 7/5, I'm expecting to see that. At 0, I'm expecting to see that. And at minus 1, I'm expecting to see that. And then the second derivative, let me sure I wrote that down correctly too. Again, they're not asking for it, but let's see, 20x cubed minus 36. Yeah, and again, you know, you're getting. Oh boy, this just looks like a tough one, doesn't it? Make sure I did that right. You know what? I did that wrong too. This is wrong. What is it? 20x cubed minus 36x squared minus 6x plus 14. I made a mistake there too, by the way. All right, but you're going to see 3 points of inflection. What I mean by that, I'll just go through that quickly. I'm not going to go through the solution of it. Point of inflection over there, a point of inflection over there, and then a point of inflection, looks like over here somewhere. All right, they might be tough to find though. I do need to correct my key though, and I apologize for making mistakes. By the way, there's going to be mistakes in the document. There's no doubt about it. They just creep in there. There's no doubt about it. If you see something, please say something. Now, you're not going to see the errors that I just flagged. I'm going to correct those. So the document, after a few seconds, maybe a minute or so, those errors will be gone. Thank you so much for paying attention now.